Okay, guys, as you can see, it's your boy MC ATM, and we are here with another eating competition. And as usual, we have three people going for this round. So this is our contestant number one, and our contestant number two today is a lady. You understand? You say what a man can do, a woman can do better. So our contestant number two, as you can see, also is a guy. So you guys, are you ready? So now the winner of this round is going to be going on with 5,000 naira, as usual. 5,000 naira. See, free food, free money. You understand? So when I say go, that's where you start. Okay? When I say go, that's where you start. Ready? Ready? Okay. 1, 2, ready, go! Hey! Jesus! Jesus! Are you seeing this? Contestant number 3, are you seeing this? Contestant number 3, what's going on here? Hey! The woman don't grow! The woman don't grow! Are you seeing this? Contestant number 3 and number 2, they are in a what's going on here? What's going on here? Who is winning this? Who is winning this? Number 3! Number 3, say Asub, say Asub! Hey! Hey! Are you seeing this? Hey! Guys, I think we have come to a conclusion that the winner of this round is our contestant number 3.